welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a foundation that I'm sure you've seen, or it's actually a tint. It is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Do It All Balm. I love this. I love it so much. It's amazing. I do use it. There's a nice little dent in there. This tint is perfect for every day, going for errands. You do a little bit more, your skin is glowy, it's hydrating, and surprisingly it does have more coverage than what I originally thought. When I think of tint, I think of something sheer but glowy. Let me just show you why I like it. Also, if you and I are shade twins, you are shade Light Warm 215. First of all, look at this consistency. How cool is that? So I'm gonna take this. Actually, I'm gonna take my hair and okay. If I put it on with my finger, it just glides and hydrates. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush. I do not recommend a sponge because the sponge is gonna just suck everything up. I wanna show you. Also, this, when you put it on, is like cooling to the touch, which is really cool. So, it's sheer, it's slightly buildable. I would say you get a solid light coverage, but the more I put on, it just melts into it. Favorite way to use this is with the 109 brush. And I literally just go like this, right? And I'm just gonna apply it this way. So, like I said, it's definitely a light, like a solid light coverage, but it does take down the redness on my cheek. Now, when I first bought this, and I used it a couple of times, I thought it was breaking me out because I would get pimples around my jawline. But of course, when I was trying it, it was right before my period. So it's like a hormonal thing. My skin was already breaking out. I've used this now for well over a month. I don't find that I'm breaking out anymore. So I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, I don't know if you're gonna love this. You could always do a mattifying primer and then putting this on top. But this is so pretty. If you like that no makeup, that glowy makeup, that you only have a few minutes in the morning to do your makeup and you need to do something quick and hydrating, this is it. And this will not settle in those little fine lines that I'm always looking for. And honestly, the glow stays for most of the day. Now, how does this wear? I would say for the first 4 or 5 hours, it wears pretty well. By the end of the night, it kind of wears off, especially around the nose, and if you touch your face, it's definitely gonna wear off. But I like it nonetheless. When I put makeup on top of it or I set it with a little bit of powder, it stays on longer. So just keep that in mind. It's not something that's gonna disappear in 30 minutes or anything like that, no way. But I love it. Again, if you like glowy, quick makeup, this is definitely nice. If you have dry skin, if you have textured skin, if you have maturing skin or mature skin, you're gonna like it. I think the only person who's not gonna like this is if you like full coverage and if you're very oily, you might not like it. Get a sample, try it out, see if you like it. But one of my favorite tints that I've been going to, and it lives in my makeup bag. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.